This old forge pipe was completely ratted. It was rusted through and leaking really badly, so it needed to go. And yes, it's only thin gauge air ducting materials, but it's cheap, it's readily available right down the road, so we keep using it. And honestly, it does last for a couple of years, so I got no big complaints with it. Maybe at some point we'll invest in some better forge pipe material, but for now, this will do. Let's get this junk out of here, replace it with some fresh. That was nasty. Ugh. About 3 weeks ago, I removed this because it was collapsed in on itself, and then temped it out with a trash bag and some plastic, and it's held nicely, but it's time to go and put the cap and everything back together. So let's see how this comes up out of here. Oh, and I found a stink bug. Found a lot of those around here. All right. Let's inspect for leaks on this thing. And it looks decent. So, I think we're good to put back fresh. I've never been the best at putting these together. I always tell myself that, and then I realize, wait a minute, it's not that hard. And then I realize it's harder than I thought. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's actually not that hard. I don't know how I do things. I don't know. Not that hard, right? I do like to do a little extra thing here on the end. I like to kind of squeeze this in with some snips or some crimps and tighten that in so that this has a less chance of popping apart. Pretty good chance of not popping apart, but it does happen. So let's try to hold against it. Okay, I got it. I've got a hold of it. Hang on, I'm gonna spin it. You like it? I like it. Yay! There you go. I think we're good. Carry on.